Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about air conditioning, overcrowding and lighting in Factories Act 1948. So first of all, air conditioning. When any factory premises uses external air conditioning resources like water cooler in the factory premises, the water should be taken from the reliable sources. It could be from any well, from any treated groundwater, whatever it is. It should be good in the quality in a sense that it should not have any ill effects on the health of the workers. Now, second thing is overcrowding. The workplace should not be overcrowded. There is a certain minimum space is required for every worker in the factory premises. So it has been minimum, it has been asked of around 14.2 cubic meter for every worker. Now second thing is um, on the entrance gate of every room, the inspector could ask to paste the notice about the maximum number of people allowed in that room according to this 14.2 cubic meter space required. Now when it comes to lighting, there should be proper lighting in every part of the factory, both the natural light, sunlight at the daytime and artificial light for night or dark days when there would not be appropriate natural light is there. So proper lighting should be there in the factory premise.